Today we are going to be unboxing tea runners. Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I unbox all things subscriptions, men's, women's, kids, pets, you name it, I unbox it, and if I haven't, I probably will be soon. Today I have for you guys tea runners, and they kindly sent this to me to review for you guys. I like a really strong, good flavored tea instead of like barely flavored water. Now if I'm drinking a cold tea, it's okay for it to be on the weaker side, but if I'm drinking a hot tea, I want it strong. So I have tried several other tea subscriptions in the past, and I think I've only reviewed one other on YouTube, but anyhow, I have enjoyed them. I've enjoyed getting different teas and different flavors. I didn't know there were so many wide flavors and types of tea out there. It's really opened my eye to the wonderful world of tea. So I am super excited, and the fact this packaging is super cute. Their name is Tea Runners. They have a boat, and then the packaging looks like a little suitcase, and it just, the way it opens up, super cute. Let me tell you a little bit about Tea Runners. They claim that they are the world's finest tea club. Each monthly box contains 4 different types of tea. They also have a tasting notes and steeping instructions in here, which is great. Maybe you're new to tea, or maybe you're new to this flavor of tea and you kind of want to know a little bit of what it tastes like, a little bit about it. I like subscription boxes that give those types of information to you. Just when you're trying something new, you want, or at least I want, a lot of information about it. So they have different mailing types. You can get a box every month, every other month, or every 3 months. And they have 4 different boxes to choose from. They have their original, which I don't know which one they sent me, so we'll have to find out together. They have the original box contains 4 different teas: pure teas, blended flavor teas, and herbal teas. That one is $25 a month. They have their pure box, which contains pure teas only, no blends. That one's $30 a month. Then they have their all black tea box, which is black tea, including pure black tea and blended black teas and flavored black teas. That one's $25 a month. And their last one is their herbal tea box. It contains all caffeine-free teas. That one is $25 a month. I don't remember if I already said that. So let's open this one up and see what we got and what they sent. Ooh, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to take the teas out of this box. You've got to see the inside of this box. It is such a nautical themed box. Look at that. That is so cool. I love it when subscription boxes take their theme, whether it's their branding or the month of the theme, and do it throughout the whole entire box. It's just great. I love it. Anyhow, so I'm going to put the teas back in here. Trying not to look at them for you, you know, don't want to spoil the surprise. But let's get into the teas, because this is why we're all here, and hopefully we don't spill any tea, because that'd be a waste of good tea. Anyhow, the first one I'm pulling out is Yunnan? I can't pronounce this. Yunnan Black Gold. It's from high up in the mountains of Samoa. Comes a malty sweet gem, a wonderful everyday tea, universally enjoyed by all types of palates and tastes. It brews to a good, strong, clean finish with subtle notes of cocoa and a peachy tartness. Okay. Appreciate this one on its own without any additives. That is what it looks like. It has the ingredients on there, where it's from. It's a pure black tea. It tells you 1 to 2 teaspoons per 8 ounces, the temperature of the water, how long to steep it for, and caffeine content. All right there on the front. So lots of instructions. I like it. They're clear. They're neat. Next we have a Majestic Earl Grey. I've had Earl Grey before. This is an elegant classic Earl Grey, has been the top place finisher in the Earl Grey Black category numerous times at the Global Tea Champions Awards. Made from the highest quality Yunnan black tea and cold compressed bergamot oil from Italy, this Earl Grey is one of the world's finest. Best enjoyed in its natural state without any addition of milk or sugar. And then again, it has all the same information on the side, how long to steep it, the temperature, and caffeine content, all that. Cold Comfort. That looks like grass. Just being honest. Looks like I packaged up some grass. Anyhow. Fighting a cold and need a comforting, immune-boosting elixir. This time of the year, almost everybody I know is sick. So, this could come in handy. This tea is packed with spicy ginger root, zesty citrus, loaded with lemon and orange peel, and a touch of lemongrass. Yum! That sounds like it would be delicious. Tulsi or holy basil herb tea is known to boost immunity as well as provide relief to the respiratory system. So this one is perfect for the cold winter months. I agree, and I think this is a great one to have in your box. And then the last one is a diet tea blend. If your goals for 2020 include increasing your energy level, keeping your metabolism in great shape, this tea is a delicious way to do that. This gorgeous blend of velvety oolong, energy yerba mate, and strawberry peach infused pu'er. I am horrible at pronouncing things. It's just the right amount of strength and sweetness to create a harmonious sip that leaves you feeling awakened and restored. And again, all the same information. I'm excited. I have some water boiling, so I'm gonna crack these open. I'm gonna brew 4 cups of tea. We'll come on back and give them all a little taste test. Hello! As I'm sure you notice, I look completely different because I got up to go heat up water to make the teas so that way we can taste test them and I can tell you what I think of them and give you my honest full review of the teas. So I got up, I looked at the time, and I was like, oh my goodness, I have to leave. We had errands to run and I had to take my daughter to gymnastics. So yes, I did not get to film the tasting portion of the video that day, and a couple days later I realized the teas were still sitting there waiting to be tasted and I needed to film it. So here we are, 2 days later. I have everything ready. So we are going to start with the diet tea blend. The tea itself is the darkest and kind of reddish brown color. It's the richest of them all. Definitely a fruity blend to it, and then you have like the earthy tea flavor. It does have strawberries, lemon, blueberries, and peach bits in it. So maybe that's what I'm smelling. This one is the darkest, reddest looking of them all, and I can't show you because it would probably spill all over the place. Yeah, you can't see. I was expecting it to be very bitter. I've had other diet teas before in the past and they're just like, ugh, nasty bitter. It's very light, very subtle hint of like a peach fruitiness to it. I'm definitely getting the peach and just like a normal tea mixture into it. Nothing outstanding, but it is delicious at the same time. So yeah, I mean, I'm not saying this is a bad tea. Do I say that this will make you lose like 10 pounds? No. There is a lot of traditional medicines that do say that drinking teas, even like green teas, increase your metabolism. So is drinking a diet tea like this along with eating a healthy diet plan. Will it help boost your metabolism? Probably, but is it going to be that miracle key to make you drop a ton of weight? Probably not. But drinking something that tastes good, definitely helpful. And one thing I like about tea is plain water gets boring. And so tea is kind of my way of adding more liquid into my diet without having a bunch of artificial flavors or chemicals or, you know, that sort of thing. Our next tea is the Cold Comfort tea. And this one, like I said before, looks like a bunch of grass in here. Ooh, smells like lemon and grass. It's like lemon and grass mixed together. Let's see. Ginger root, rose hips, holy basil, orange peel, lemon myrtle, lemongrass, ginger, citrus flavor. So it definitely has a lot of lemon in it, and that is what I am smelling. Very citrusy, very light. You can definitely smell the lemongrass in this tea. This one is the lightest of them all. It's a pale yellow looking color. That's nice. It has just a very subtle lemon flavor. And if you've ever had ginger tea tends to be very spicy and gives you a kick. I was expecting more of that, but it's just very subtly in there. It's not spicy overwhelming, but it kind of gives like a warmth to your mouth even after you're done with it. It's just kind of like a lingering warmth. It's definitely one that you just want to like cuddle up with and sip while you're reading a good book wrapped in a blanket. So I can see how this would be nice and comforting when you are fighting a cold or flu or just feeling under the weather. Very delicious. Next we have the Majestic Earl Grey tea. This one smells citrusy and florally. Definitely smell lemon in this one. Maybe it's just me, but this one smells really lemony. I don't know why. This one, it's hard to figure out the color of the tea because the inside of this cup is tan also, so it just kind of blends in with the inside of the cup. But I didn't have any lighter colored cups, so it's just looking like a normal brownish tea color to me. Okay, this smell does not smell like that. I'm getting like toasted popcorn. Okay, this to me just tastes like tea. It's not tasting like that citrusy smell I was smelling from the bag. It just tastes and smells kind of just leafy. No, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just a plain tea. Is that how I want to describe it? There's nothing exciting, nothing special about it. It's just that leafy tea flavor. And then lastly we have the Yunnan Black Gold. This one smells like tea and chocolate. Ooh, chocolate tea. That would be delicious. I'd totally go for a chocolate cocoa tea. But it's saying it just has black tea in it, so I don't know. Maybe my sniffer's gone whack after all this sniffing and taste testing. Who knows? This one smells very similar to the other one. So, yeah, and it has just a normal, like, dark tea color. Yeah, I'm going to spill that all over the place. Just a normal dark brownish, goldish tan, not tan, but brownish, goldish, reddish tea color. Okay, I was going to say this one tastes just like this one, and then I tried it, and they do taste a little bit different. I don't know how to describe that they taste different. This one tastes just like your standard black tea. I'm not getting any chocolatey flavoring from it. But it's good. I don't typically like black tea on its own. So if I drink this, I would definitely add some sweetener to it, some cream. The first two are definitely my favorite ones. They are vastly different though. Yeah, this one's like very peachy and this one's very citrusy. I would probably go for this one. Just the lemon and the ginger seems more, I don't know, this time of the year more comforting. So I think this one would have to be my favorite, the winner out of them all. And that would be the cold comfort one. So that is me tasting them, trying them, giving you my honest opinion. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Like, comment down below what your favorite tea is if you're a tea drinker, and if you're not a tea drinker, let me know what your favorite beverage is to drink. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Bye!